Video tutorial on the basics of web browsing. Now, if you already know how to recognize shortcut icons for the four major web browsers and you know how to check which version you're running, this tutorial is definitely not for you. Then we're going to go ahead and introduce you right now to the shortcut icons. You'll find them typically in the lower left hand of your screen in what's called a taskbar. This is known as either a system tray or notifications area in the taskbar. And this first icon on the left, the blue E with the gold ring, that is for Microsoft's Internet Explorer, followed over here by this multicolored icon for Google Chrome. Then you have the orange fox around a blue globe, that is Mozilla's Firefox. Mozilla's Firefox icon. And then the compass over here is Apple's Safari web browser. Now we'll click on the shortcut icon for Internet Explorer, and in the upper right hand corner there is a gear icon. We click that and it opens a pull down menu, and at the bottom of the menu it says About Internet Explorer. You click that link and here you go. Now you can see which version you're running, and you can see that you have it currently checked to install new versions automatically. Now we can close that, and then we can go to Google Chrome, and now we're looking for, in the same area, the upper right hand corner of your screen, now you have an icon with three horizontal bars. You click that, open the menu, click the About Google Chrome link, and in this case it opens an entire new page for you, and it tells you the version you're running and that it's up to date. And you can close that to get back to your normal screen. Then the next one we have is Mozilla's Firefox. We click that. We're on a new web browser, Firefox. We now, again, in the upper right hand corner, we open the menu with the icon with the three horizontal bars. And Firefox has a different view. They have icons everywhere here instead of the links. And we're looking for, in this case it's not obvious, but the question mark icon will open the help menu, and then you click About Firefox, and you see that you're running 36.0.4 and it's up to date, and that's what you wanted to know. And then finally we have Apple Safari. This is again these are all for PCs. Macs would be a little bit different, and we're not covering them in this tutorial. Anyway, we click on the Safari for PC icon. We get to the web using the Apple Safari web browser, and in the upper right hand corner again we click the gear icon, pull down the menu, and at the bottom About Safari, and it gives you the version, which is in this case 5.1.7, and that's really it. Now you may be wondering, well, why does any of this even matter? Well, it may be that you go to Investor Village or any other site that you frequent, and for some reason a button that was working yesterday isn't working today, or something else is going wrong. Maybe it's a formatting issue, some other kind of glitch. It's possible that the web browser you have installed updated automatically overnight. Maybe something changed. Now when it interacts with the web page you're going to, there's an incompatibility with the code and the new updated version of your web browser, and that's good to know. If you need to troubleshoot with someone over the phone or email, you can let them know what version, what web browser you're running and what version it is, and they can look it up and tell you, oh, that's currently not supported by our website, there's an incompatibility, we're working on a bug, whatever it is. And of course you may say, well, you know, why would that even matter? Couldn't the website keep up with all this? Well, if you think about it, just with the four major web browsers and the fact that there's different versions for PCs and Macs, and then on top of that you've got any number of versions of each one. You saw some of them were as high as in the 30s and 40s now over the last 10 to 20 years that they've been developed. You just have so many configurations, and nobody, even the biggest companies in the world with all kinds of money to work with, they don't support everything out there. And so if you tell them, oh, I'm running, you know, Internet Explorer 8 instead of 11, they may say, well, good luck, but we don't support 8 anymore. If you want to use our site with all the latest features, you need to upgrade, you know, to the version 11 of Internet Explorer, just as an example. This happens all the time. And we have a toll-free number. You can call us at 888-222-7309 if you have any issues about any of this stuff, any questions, and we'll be happy to assist you. And again, just recap everything here. So we're in the system tray down here. We've got the Microsoft Internet Explorer icon, the Google Chrome icon, the Mozilla Firefox icon, and the Apple Safari icon. And when you click each one of those, you look in the upper right hand corner. Typically you're looking for either a gear icon to open the drop down and check the version, or you're looking for the 3 horizontal bars. You do the same thing, check the version, and that's really all there is to it.